I would say probably would you like to DJ at Tomorrowland?
Wow.
Which will take us down a whole nother avenue. But that to me
I'm ready
was,
for that. I'm ready for that.
Which also Jack Joseph has done some amazing marketing for.
Yeah. that moment
I
went
loved
so
that
viral.
video.
It was crazy.
I found it funny, but
Yeah.
the
I love the
virality.
reenactment you did of it as well.
Yeah, just the other day.
Yeah.
I was walking through the crowd and it was just, and I love that when someone's, instead of like, they're like, let's take a picture, it's like, let's make some content. I was like, yeah, let's make some content. So
Yeah.
It's better for everyone overall because they get a
That's
better,
it,
cooler
yeah.
video and experience with you, and also you get publicity.
yeah.
So
I was in the middle of trying to eat a burrito. Though, so
not as
I was
ideal.
like,
Brutal.
I gave it to one of our friends. So one of our friends is standing here awkwardly for 10 minutes with my burrito while we did Vic at Tomorrowland.
So with that, because obviously we kind of know as fans of the Sidemen that you're the most, to my knowledge, other than maybe JJ, I don't know, you're the most musically apt in terms of like what you understand. You play a bit of piano, right?